How to fix Instagram app freezing on startup. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your device storage. For that, launch settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option general, click on the option iPhone storage. Now check your device storage. If you don't have enough storage, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Then navigate to the app Instagram. Click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app. Likewise, next thing you want to do is restart your device. For that, launch settings. Now navigate to the option general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown, wait for a few minutes, then again turn on your phone. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, completely delete Instagram app from your device. To do that, press and hold on the Instagram app, navigate to the option Remove app, select Delete app and select Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Likewise, what you can do is check service status of Instagram. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website, search for the app Instagram and check the server status. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait. Once the issue has been fixed, you will be able to log in. So these are some fixes for Instagram app freezing on startup. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.